Welcome to the Tidio demo. If you manage a growing online business, you probably need tools to improve your sales and customer service. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of how Tidio helps you grow your sales, manage all your customer service in one place, and automate your responses without losing customer trust. Tidio is a complete customer service platform that offers live chat, a channel where you can talk to your website visitors in real time, flows, which are automations that can help you proactively reach out to your customers and boost sales. Lyro AI, the conversational AI agent that can learn from your website and products and handle repetitive questions and tasks for you. And finally, Help Desk, a unified workspace that organizes all of your customer messages, tickets, and conversations from all channels, including chat, email, and social media. Let me show you what this looks like inside Tidio. This is the Tidio Inbox, the center of where all of your support happens. On the left, you'll see conversations coming in from different channels, like your website live chat, incoming emails from your connected inbox, and here, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp messages. So no matter how your customers get in contact with you, your team will see it here in a single queue with one clean view, instead of having to jump in between tools and tabs. And this just improves your customer service team's efficiency overall. Now let's look at a real live example here. A visitor opens your website and starts a live chat asking about your shipping policy, for example. The conversation appears here in the inbox, and if you click on this arrow on the right side, you'll see all of the customer's details, their name, their email, which page they're on right now, and any tags or previous conversation history. This additional context really helps your agents respond faster with more confidence. Tidio also gives your team a few AI helpers right inside your inbox. First, you'll see Copilot, which can create a draft reply for you, and it pulls the info that you've added to Lyro's data sources. And then here, you've got the AI tools, and these let you instantly rewrite, elaborate, or shorten whatever you've typed. And for tickets, you could also generate a quick summary so you don't have to scroll through everything to remember what's happened. And Tidio's AI tools save you a ton of typing time while still letting your agents decide exactly what gets sent to the customer. You can also connect your email inbox to Tidio, and if an issue can't be resolved on the spot, you can turn this chat into a ticket. So here you can set the status, assign the right person or team, and add any additional internal notes. So this way, complex or longer cases are tracked properly, nothing gets slipped through the cracks, even when the customer leaves the website. So any customer emails will show up as tickets right inside your Tidio panel, and this keeps all of your communications centralized. And we've all dealt with those questions that come up over and over and over again, and that's where macros help. These are pre-saved replies and actions that agents can insert into the responses with just a few clicks. So you could add actions or variables like the agent or customer's name. You could add a tag to the ticket or a customer for reference, or change the ticket status when you're sending it. You could also label them for easy access, and then you could make these private or public. It makes handling repetitive questions faster and more consistent, and it's also great for onboarding new customers. All right, now let's take a look at Lyro, a customer experience agent created by Tidio. Lyro is designed to become any customer-facing agent you need, from shopping assistant to support specialist. You could train Lyro to use your tone of voice and follow custom procedures. And with Lyro, you could automate proactive customer service and repetitive questions while your human agents focus on more complex cases. And if we click into the Lyro sidebar here, you'll see that it comes with a really helpful set of features. And just to be clear, Lyro doesn't make things up randomly. Instead, it learns and provides information on the data that you provide it. So you could feed Lyro data by scanning your website, adding content manually. You could upload a CSV file, and you could also import data straight from your Zendesk Help Center. And it's super quick. Once you upload that data, you can see that it just speed runs through this. After the data is uploaded, Lyro automatically creates Q&A pairs from your website and uses that information to answer customer questions faster and more accurately 24/7. Another cool thing is that you can connect your product catalog. So when customers ask about prices or want to compare products or need recommendations, Lyro can jump into the conversation and guide them right away. And you can see that here on the customer side, Lyro jumping in and giving recommendations based on your product catalog. I'm going to switch back into guidances. And this is where you can instruct Lyro to follow your tone of voice, escalate a chat to your team, or you could add customer scenarios. And this just gives you more control on what Lyro handles and what gets handled by your agent team. For example, when customers are either requesting quotes or asking more complex questions. Now moving over to actions, Lyro can do more than just respond. It can connect your systems via API to execute real tasks just like an agent. So you can connect your Lyro to Shopify or any of your external systems, and it'll automatically pull in the right data to deliver accurate answers like information about an order or update customer details in your CRM or even book a call. And here you can see Lyro in action. A customer asks a common question, for example, about returns or shipping, and Lyro responds instantly based on your content. So if the question is too complex or the customer wants to talk to an agent, Lyro can hand the conversation over to your team. And according to the guidance that you set up earlier, you can automate what's safe to automate and still keep your agents available for those edge cases and high-value conversations. Next, let's move on to rule-based chatbots, which are called flows within Tidio. And flows are these visual, no-code workflows that help you answer questions, capture leads, and boost your sales automatically. Here's a quick example of a flow. When a customer lands on your website, this flow is set up to greet a customer, offer a discount, and send a discount code once the customer confirms their choice. I'm going to confirm that here. And flows are just great sales boosters because they can reduce cart abandonment, collect emails, or promote limited time offers without any extra manual effort on your end. And setting up flows is really simple because you could either use one of our templates or you can create your own flow from scratch. And everything is done with simple drag and drop, no coding required. So you really just connect the blocks here and turn an idea into a working automation in minutes. So you can see a trigger, a condition, and then a send a message node here. And that's how simple it is to set up a flow. When you're ready to see how well Tidio is performing, all the analytics are there. Tidio's analytics give you this full glance of how both your agents and Lyro are performing, so you can ensure everything is working as you would want it to. So you'll find a quick snapshot of your latest interactions and conversations. You can do a deeper dive of how your agents are performing. There's a whole section showing you how Lyro is helping your customers and more insights into how Tidio is contributing to your sales. And this just helps you continuously improve and tinker around where you need to in your support and your automation over time. And that's all for our Tidio demo. With one platform, you can manage all your support in a single inbox, use automation and flows to boost sales, and finally, let Lyro handle repetitive questions without losing human control or customer trust. If you want to give it a try, just head over to tidio.com, create your account, and start your commitment-free 7-day trial. From there, you can connect all your communication channels and set up your first flow or AI agent. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel or leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, and see you in the next video.